Meta has launched the Aria Gen 2 smart glasses, designed for researchers and developers. These glasses can help developers refine AI models and improve human-robot collaboration by collecting real-world data. Aria Gen 2 glasses also introduce accessibility innovations, such as real-time navigation and task assistance. General Motors has partnered with Nvidia to enhance its autonomous vehicle technology using Nvidia's AI chips. General Motors will use Nvidia's Omniverse platform to create virtual simulations of assembly lines for efficient production and testing. General Motors also plans to train its robotics for material handling, transport, and welding. Roblox, the online gaming platform and game creation system, introduced Cube 3D. The Cube 3D AI model enables users and developers to generate 3D shapes of objects with a single click. It allows users to create 3D models using only text prompts and integrate them into the Roblox world. AI chatbot, Claude 3.7 Sonnet, now has WebSearch capabilities. The new feature enables Claude to search the internet for current information, improving its accuracy when answering recent questions. Claude Web Search feature is currently limited to paid subscribers in US, with plans to expand to free users and other countries soon. Elon Musk has merged his artificial intelligence company, xAI, with X. The all-stock transaction values the combined entity at $113 billion, with xAI valued at $80 billion and X at $33 billion. xAI's chatbot Grok will leverage X's extensive user-generated data for real-time AI model training. The merger positions xAI Holdings as a major player in AI development, competing with OpenAI and Google. Google has announced the voice generation model Chirp 3. Chirp 3 will be available on the Vertex AI platform. Chirp 3 can be used for tasks like voice annotation, meeting transcription, audiobooks, podcasts, and building AI voice assistants. Chirp 3's HD Voices feature supports 31 languages, providing 248 unique voices with 8 speaker options. Google announced the development of TX Gemma, a series of OpenAI models designed for drug discovery. TX Gemma can understand both regular text and the structures of various therapeutic entities, including chemicals, molecules, and proteins. Researchers can ask the TX Gemma questions to predict key properties of potential new drugs, such as their safety and effectiveness.
Thanks for watching iBinger. Like, comment and subscribe. Stay updated with latest AI trends.